Guys, this is the MecArmy TPX11, and yeah, it's a pen, but it's also a pen that you'll probably end up clicking, spinning and fiddling with more than actually writing with. It has a bolt action mechanism, a spinner on the top, another spinner section near the grip, and the whole thing is built around that satisfying EDC feel. So if you like pocket gear, desk gadgets or anything with a good click and spin, stick around, I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the MecArmy TPX11. It's a bolt action EDC pen that's just launched on Kickstarter. Now, it's a bit different from a normal pen, right? You've got the writing side of it, of course, but then you've also got the fidget side, the click of the bolt, the spinning of the top, and the rotating section near the grip. So this is really aimed at people who like well-made pocket gear rather than someone just looking for a cheap pen to leave in the kitchen drawer. Now guys, before we get into it, MecArmy did send me this to take a look at and for me to give you my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So let's get it out of the box and see what we have. So guys, in the box, you've got the TPX11 pen. You've got a spare spinner top, you get a badge and a kind of thank you card. And first impressions, guys, is this feels solid. It's got that machined EDC feel to it. And depending on the version you go for, there are different types of material options like titanium, brass, copper and PEI. Now, I'm not going to get too nerdy with all of the materials, right? Because at the end of the day, it's a pen. But the simple version is this. Some builds will feel lighter, some will feel heavier, and some will just have a different look and feel in the hand. Now guys, the main action is the bolt mechanism. So rather than pressing a normal click button, you slide the bolt down and across to bring the refill out. And that's probably, I'm going to put this up here. That's probably about one of my favorite things about it, right? It gives you a nice little mechanical click and it makes the pen feel more deliberate than a standard biro. Then guys, you've got the spinner on the top and you know what? A quick flick and it doesn't have to be much of a click and it spins for ages. I don't think the camera's going to pick it up on this shot, but this thing will spin for ages, which is exactly the sort of thing you'll do once and then immediately do another 10 times for no good reason. There's also another rotating section near the grip. So when you're holding the pen, your thumb naturally has something to move. Oh, and of course, it writes, and pretty well too. But above all, it's something that you can keep on your desk, carry in a pocket, use in a notebook, or just mess about with while you're thinking. Now guys, the clip is also replaceable, and there's a lanyard hole at the back, and the refill can be changed. So you know what? It's got shelf life. But guys, to be honest, nobody is looking at this because they desperately need another pen. You're looking at this because you like the design, the mechanical feel, and the fact that it's a little bit more interesting than the usual pens you get. And I like that. Now, the only thing I would say is because this is launching on Kickstarter, please check exactly what version comes with what you choose because different pledge levels may include different materials, parts or accessories. So just make sure you know what you're backing. So guys, there you have it. I'm spinning this now, you can't see it, can you? But anyway, this is the MecArmy TPX11. It's a pen, but it's also a little fidget gadget, a desk toy, a nice bit of EDC gear, and you get that all in one. Do you need it? Probably not. But will some people actually love it? Absolutely. If you like bolt action pens, pocket gears, spinners, I'm doing it again, but you can't see it probably, or just well-made little objects that feel satisfying to use, then this is definitely worth a look. And guys, at the time of this video going live, the MecArmy TPX11 is launching on Kickstarter. Like I said, I'll leave the Kickstarter link in the description along with any pricing, pledge details and further information. And as always with Kickstarter, just check the delivery dates, options and what's included before you back it. And guys, if you have any questions, then please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to MecArmy for sending me this cool TPX11, which is spinning again, pen to review. Listen, you can probably hear that. It's still going. Anyway, I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.